utie me ohwa me mayanko so ma wache biem na bosomi a eye March bosomi eye Ghana month nyame ya domo a oman Ghana nyina ye kai ye nya ye mfa hodie mfia duosia ensianie and this month of March nti ba bia wo bia kai say ye wo Ghana ye nya 66 years ewo my Ghana mu adia ba akopɛ enene me pesa me twe wadwen di gina so omai bia fapem eye ngomasua enti so omai ne betimi anya nkyekere ye pa akɔ wonanim na omai na tumpɔn ewo ne ye wo ye nyire mu a temamufo ne nya suahunu ani nimdie ewo amamuo mrane ne amane ne nhyehyɛ ye papa ema omai ne tumi tumpɔn enti ena ye bisana na adodan kɔ akɔfo ado sɛ in the next 1.5 years, he will say bye-bye to Ghana. The legacy our DJ Ghana for a free SHS. But how sustainable will it be after 8 years of Nana Danko Akufo-Addo's government addressing the bottlenecks on the free SHS educational policy? Ayadiaba Ghana. Ghana's constitution will be a this constitution of the Republic of Ghana. And of course, Aya Ghana Mantinti. Let me quote Article 25 of the Ghana 1982 Constitution. Or say, all persons shall have the right to equal educational opportunities and facilities with a view to achieving the full realization of that right. All persons shall have equal. And the emphasis for operational where the constitution were near it just a mandatory. It must be done. Until now, Drabonso, such a front planes. Ayi anyofi suku na nkwala ono. They are the same kwala ya wo mo Ghana. Wo mo Eko Prempeh College. Wo mo ko Kumasi school sa e wo krom ha. And that is the video. Video such a front planes. Get that for me. And the emphasis in it says, it is Obi wa Nyofi, Obi wa Central Front Plains, Obi wa Drabonso, Obi wa Bontefua. The person shall have equal rights. And the chaso minor my obia. And basic education shall be free. Basic education shall be free, compulsory, and available to all. B. Secondary education in its different forms. Say you're vocational, say you're technical, and all that shall be made generally available and accessible to all by every appropriate means, and in particular by the progressive introduction of free SHS. Ghana for bookway, my Ghana, and then about my hombra. And school niye. And this is the same school. Oba Kumasi Dua. Oba patase ni miami awdua. Akwala we. Akwala my Ghana marache say have equal education. Ghana since 1992 are graduating from various levels of educational reforms. And Nyangwa sa Ghana ni bi a wutiami wudi adanse say na na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo winning Abattoir in 2016, the trump card I am man and let me winning about was touched on free SHS. Ghana ni bia or walk chroma or dear Nancy Bekase. Now Danko Akufo-Addo wins 2016-2020 election as a result of free SHS educational policy. Our buy. And now Ghana ni would me. Where is the state of Ghana's education? Yeah, quite him. Danger is looming. Now, in this presentation and address to the president, me Mbabe be when him with dangerous things. How Ghana yet tolerate with Omain? All in the name say, we want to have education and the constitution cano a baby fulfilling the mandate. Near our 6 your form 4. Rollins in 1993 Tony Boasi year 1996 eba ni enya technical vocational education enti SSS eba ye no de ba ye enti uko various schools mu Rollins time ewo Ghana nyina ni ewo even carpentry workshops ni ye de aso ye wo various shops ahodo a na yetimi de ensa ensa no dwuma at the various SSS nti dia wo technical unit wo schools ni mu a ya wo saw ni ya wo hammer ya wo bibia edu brebia yes ya ko practicals, and that was Rollins time our dey buy, and various polytechnics were introduced to ensuring say ye benya technical education. Rollins boya reforming various education SC schools the Candia Kwame Nkrumah Yas and school Kwame Nkrumah de Bessie, and these various type of schools in Rollins buy at the lot of them at the buy. Penida Akufo the time as the president of the republic 2001 Obayan was also starting the various said Article 25 of the 19th Constitution, no, education must be compulsory and must be free. FKIP Rollins started reforming here. Ese mukena kofo ba no semenso me de nkwala ekɔ school a omu need free into what a school feeding program at the buy, and was saying fossil capitation Dutch aban Denmark aban and one more kabo free SHS ye did free no and one nyina ehwe ye o man pani na kofo trans no hu say no form 4 na ne yekɔ no na wo bi wie form 4 wetimi kabrofo yie etimi nim nyansa enti aboa e ma akwala no ɔkɔ nanim o wie SS kra onimade and o man pani na kofo said let's go back to form 4 enti me ye the secondary education of 4 years. Now with him the 4 years boy akwala no start at least about school for 4 years, and at the age of 15 years 16 years now akwala JHS or core secondary school. And that time now maintaining the padodo school mu may develop woman to omunwie brano na at least ni mod amia kakra 4 years man pani da ko for free so atama by ano say no let's go back near san reverse form 4 no echo back to 3 years nti ne akwala ni admission first no mutimi trafie e bia by November okoya December March not just say we twa form 1 awie no okọ second term in form 1 into 2.5 years na akwala na wie school ubisa de brofu bia wo hunu kan. That is how Ghana's education has been. Kofo started South school yeah what amokom cars develop them buildings ahodo see dan bebre shon what anamwa committee what professor Mr. Nsowa commission all to reforming Ghana's education and pay me person me man we understanding where Ghana's education is going and the dangerous aspect of my Ghana ya baba say education 66 years on after independence Ghana we are breeding nipa obi we university letter krontimin tro common English you can't spoke what is abrofo be common English you can't spoke amampani dara kofo in his wisdom man kwala bebre and foresee the free compulsory universal basic education at the basic level, and we have several Ghanaians kwala no muko school Mills eba Adamos eba betran so prof and why lecturer we nim day e won masuamu ono so was starting to see various schools ahodo John Dramani Mahama eba no so I am going to build 250 e-blocks across the nation. Ghana for boy and semano hua. And John Dramani Mahama and yenya the vice president yere I can say ya mamu talk na ya mamu talk tena obi aba no the Ghana education. Aya politics. Ke do baby talks our teachers krabe yusuno was a problem. No, we focus on the infrastructure. I mean, six schools, and we see. At the time I was free, so now about 46 of them, and then I completed. The Aka, a good aban bae so obeto aso bi mo okra wa ma meto aso na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo major campaign promise ne say me ba be ye senior high school education free for all. Ghana for boy and sem. Ghana for boy and sem. Na do bae the 7th of January 2017. Ni nanu ani nansa and wapa free SHS education hontoma, and that was September 2017. Now the dan kwa Akufo-Addo the free SHS by against all odds mpanimfo akukudam yes say no, the constitution say it should be progressively free. And John Dramani Mahama started free kakra at the day school level into obi our day school no one started the free. And what didn't ye blocks back home? It do baby or so on Kalano Crano, or in the Netherlands government, and some policy, World Bank, young top pad, and man Kalana work classroom, and more these things, a protect woman from going to school. These are various interventions, government to government, and make it in our education. Now, do not Akufo-Addo. Fantastic policy, awesome policy. Everybody, AGD said no, wholesale free there. Nana went to me, was I will do it. September 2017, Nanado Pa free SHS Ontoma.
The first country in the world, in modern times anyway, to institute a system of free secondary public education was the United States of America. And the United States of America did this a century ago, at a time when their level of development was not very much more than ours. I hope that all of us in Ghana can see the connection between that event and where America is today as the economic power of the world. I believe that if we understand that connection, we will all support this initiative.
At the launch of free, in fact, Napo was the Minister of Education. Pahon Toma, Dr. Medi Opoku Prempe, and Yintie, and some of the two.
The days of promising students being left on the streets because of poverty are over. The days of parents at their wits' end they scramble to find admission fees are over. The days of young students being driven from class to go home for fees are over. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the dream of the father of this nation. The days of promising students being left on the streets because of poverty are over. The days of parents at their wits' end they scramble to find admission fees are over. The days of young students being driven from class to go home for fees are over. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the dream of the father of this nation.
Where education minister that video ni yepa. The whole country, especially the MPP, everybody was happy. Why? Because we have a certain government. I will say Ghana, your resources, may the Bible share Ghana ma free at the Penifo, Merewa, Kokrafo, Robiasu Chobos. Against all odds. Ghana for boy and some, and in fact, Nanadu win there, Nanadu free Ghana Konya Kessia Susan, Nanadu knew one now. Ghanaians will remember him for at least free SHS. Nana, congratulations on that. But, Abusafo, as a result of free SHS, a year can was them. Free SHS, it takes just about 3% of the Ghana's budget every year. Just 3%. Because Ghana say, I'm far my any and free SHS now, Ubi Bedia Seno. Ya dip free SHS by ye, oh, I think no be a can. Sanana, ya tree a boise. Free SHS in a year, or be any walk us and yet, will be a back when you know before. Or be a jitum, Kofi Asante jitum. But, baby, Kono, let's look at the infrastructure. Let's look at the resources. Let's look at how best you best implemented in your Adokofonum about out. Even the finance minister of government, Kenneth Foriata, or said there be a bit to me. Yamakwan, ya did free SHS in the Bayani, so free SHS in T, PTA. And you compose the BM parent to be a want to me PTA, more beyond Quajini PTA. Yes, yeah, why are there your boy and some afei de teachers no ukọ gye obi asika extra classes yetwam bibia ya start see yetwam 87.9 na now do after free SHS also metal school ntade amankwala oh metal school books and metal free populism free near the actually edu baby in 2020 the year 2020 na Ghana are spending 68 million they taught past questions at the 68 million Ghana cedis as a result of free SHS you taught past questions at the school kwala 68 million Ghana cedis past question booklet back home 78 cedis
87.9 Kumasi
ni aton back home 2021 another 69.8 million near their top past questions near their school kwala or as a result of free SHS. Oh, free SHS akwala enya 49 akwala enya 50 obi anko school. For as a result of free SHS na Ghana akwa more than 400 over 638,000 mathematical set at the cost of 63 million Ghana cedis. Mathematical set. Na tienio ma set na ye kwa 68 million Ghana cedis. Ni ama tax waiver at the port 3.6 million US dollars. Ghana for watch this. Get me the write up. 63 million Ghana cedis worth of mathematical set. Near the tax waiver 3.6 million US dollars. Near the triathlon. All in the name of free SHS. We had students. Yenya student ewo kroma free SHS. Eko try exams. After the mathematical set, Ghana for muntin yo. Student iba bonten. D president atem. Free SHS inti teachers. Ukoye we ya o monto mo ase. Yan kwala no nanamba nie. Abatu odu ni amache nkwala nyina wo krom na nadu dan kwa akofo adoma. Ghana ni biagidi se free SHS is the best thing for Ghana. But the niema wodwa edi akire ba na nadu dan kwa akofo ado who the next 2 years to go. 1.5 years. Nana, so want me address the bottlenecks on this free SHS. Yewura Ghana, the month I had the woo Ghana no. We are drawing your attention, say Ghana, the foundation, the basic of this, the basic foundation of my Ghana is in danger. Why? Because yes, free SHS are fantastic, but the nearby baby dear children in the air cost war, yan fire na and see from. We will collapse this country because of some of these things. Here, dear school, now, share video. No, what's this?
Fellow Ghanaians, this is a letter from the phone trees to the president. Nana, then I
87.9 Kumasi.
You make we solve this book from cover to cover, cover to cover, page to page, English, Arabic, everything. Nana, why? We bore you. You think say we go forgive you? You like that?
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Sanchez maximum.
Stop the voice. I think so filthy. About 9 nkwala ewo northern region. GS AU omadi. I'm a president kwa ma omo pardon. But 7 of them. Filthy videos. As we speak, enuane ankwala, these are the girls. Maya wenum. And free SHS. Oh, everything wholesale. Enuane. Abusafo. Even food. Nuane ankwala ni bedi ewo school mu. You go there and you watch it. Toda wo hwemu ana wo bo wani ena wusu. Na Then we began to neglect even the basic schools. School feeding. School feeding. All because you focus on free SHS. Free SHS. And kwala, oh, you're starting red, gold, green. Na man for can. See, I'm going say Ghana. Tete no aye ko school a woman kwan winim say 3 months time, 2 months time, you buy baby school. Je what one year from 2 weeks. Mo be school mumra be Dominica. Hey, 1 day mumra 2 days oh everything. In 1 week you be school 2 mutu. Minister of Education one date of reopen by. Na GES, the educational director of GES director. No so the reopen data. Confusion. All because we're doing free SHS. Niane, it took head of assisted senior high school CHAS. Our leader said, the president should intervene with immediate effect. Listen.
No, akoye challenge ama schools of late. Inti yama ye minister atiase say, ehia say e betena se a plan yi. Say dey be year before schools be build no omudi duane no e dey abre at our school level. Sa so na aduane so because ye nimu kase still supplies no koso omunya mfa ne nyina mbre but the omudi ama ekekra no ye manage ni eno say dey be ya nkora no omuntena ho say omunni duane but ya ma omu ehun say moving forward ni dey eni kwanse ye no sa ye plan no omu fa dey no bre intem ansa na ya start e ba no sa no a head teacher no wobetime ahwe say adikire no be koso o school no pa man kwada no ehu de say omu ho but this time we akwa it say headmaster gisa wo sorry wo nante say wo hwe duane e de abra school and say sika ni wo wo first dia
several concerns na na dan kwa akofado ana wo kokan yabu ani aguso ubia wano as no we are giving you free SHS. Nobody is saying it's a free SHS yet. It's your legacy and nobody can take it away from you. But problem are Ghana with this educational system. It's terrible. Teachers, I can want what anyone who come to that say ne and the free SHS. List I demand kwala now. Eastern region suppliers they came out. Kofi, we are dying.
Suppliers in a similar problem. Yeah, a woman say, we see die. A group back one. It's a depending on morning call, so media for morning call, so appreciate you on supplies. The PSHS, no, I think I sustainable bedrooms are there. Minimum, say, yen suppliers in yet I'm not bedroom every. We supply and your mama school. With the school now. Abantam Kran, a baby.
Akuma FM.
My father, Abayatramika.
A very terrible emotions to change. Ghana near Utiaman pay. Bisa say, anti education system for 8 years ago. 10 years ago, with free SHS, Kofi Asante, let me appreciate it. But Bisase, Niama e koso ye basic, ye senior high school, ye system. No?
87.9.
We are destroying our educational system all in the name of free SHS. Nanado, Ghana did 66 years. Yanto past question 68 million Ghana cedis. Yanto mathematical set all in the name of free SHS 63 million Ghana cedis. You're so red, you're so gold, you're so green. Our educational system. What is our priority? Amache Boating, Dr. Amache Boating. In fact, why ye offend saying PTA Mpenifoni be one of the schools.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And then your platform be a catch this story.
Akuma FM 87.9
Kumasi. Because of food crisis issues. And I'm saying no. I was here who Papa stock. Near who are Janadu Dua and Radom Ranu, Omodima School. And finally, and Yanaswa can say, headmaster, a general demand of Planisa. Now, not until I have any information, we cannot accuse the headmaster. That is terribly bad. And implementation, captured by political corruption, especially in the area of the supply of food. And the thing now, a bad policy poorly implemented, and the children are the suffering. Parents are almost this.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Almost an answer from. Besides, say, one more education teacher for instance. Teachers are more free education level. We are so demoralized there. One more watch that year crown.
Where you come many around much about in the doctor. Doctor, good morning. And to Ghana, I will show me a wood tear man or pay. Bisa won't say, yes, free SHS. Has it been a blessing or curse to us? Nanado. Free SHS is a wonderful policy. Oba Ghana, dear Bako Pet, now maybe the Medebeka war, and free SHS. But the question is, dear partners, here, Ecoso. Now, no, that you're 3 years old. We are going back to the old educational calendar. Now, free SHS, eba ye nanui. In fact, says here schools, we as Ankregwa school, send us out prospectus, mommy, or would you paint? As part of prospectus, or would you paint? Paint, our school. Mower, cost of mower, 500. Near school, Apariago, get me that video. Now get me prospectus. Our parent me 8,000 Ghana cedis. Headmaster say supply near me here was school no. And ma say me and Kasama and Fakwan Piso anyejia. Dia mokano yentehe. How sustainable na na do dan kwa akofado. Measures be na diegu akwamu. I bet me protecting the free SHS policy, a wonderful policy. And what they buy? We're destroying Ghana's education. See, school kwala at the basic level, teachers are being neglected. Educational system is collapsing. Headmasters cannot talk. Teachers cannot talk. We are victimized. And this is what we are going through in this country. All in the name say, Yamaya free SHS in T. Shut up. At the end of crack one two. Nana. Or take a course or say, yeah, Nana, free SHS no. Mo yami who say, I say, Yabaya bed in Amagana. Listen to him.
Now the current government has introduced free education up to senior high school, which now ensures that all Ghanaian children from whatever background are guaranteed free education. This must be one of the boldest policies of the nation. But it also brings its challenges. It puts a huge strain on the national budget and raises further challenge about the creation of jobs for the increasing number of graduates. I'm sure the brilliant minds assembled here in this audience and beyond will be reassured that Ghana is on the right path, able to weather the storm and sustain its chosen democratic path, and deserves the fulsome support and collaboration from the United States of America. I look forward to initiating collaboration between your university here and our University of Science and Technology in Kumasi in the sciences and entrepreneurship development.
Otiko Kosro was free SHS no at the bed in Amaya. And that is the picture Abina Pentimon Ghana for Unitias here. For the first time in the history of the Republic. Ghana, the GET Fund, for the next 21 years, over $71 million US. I had a school to expand the infrastructure deficit as a result of free SHS. Now, the question I'm paying another for the year say, has your government sat down? What started the we review, and after 6 years on, I have 7 years of free SHS implementation, policy document. Policy review. A DM pan won't say, Nana, where am I? Where problem? Yes, some yen say, Yaguswan Yako. A two IMF and somebody got off a day. The other day, I have free SHS. Yes, you came out. Of Reata.
President Akufo-Addo has absolutely no intention to roll back on any major policy by the free SHS. We see education as the best enabler for sustainable economic growth and transformation and social mobility, and we'll do more to improve on it for it to serve more and better our children.
No. Free SHS.
There are some who are eager to curtail some of these important initiatives, like the free senior high school policy. There are powerful forces in the society that are against it, and who are insisting that education should be what your parents can afford. 87.9. They should all contribute to paying for education. And the same at the tertiary level. But I have a different view. I think that it's a public good. The benefits of it for the nation, for the society are obvious.
Nana, a leader, any leader who just legacy. It is a one share. Oh, my mama be the president. My transfer after AC at media me buy no. It is a me kokra gua. I don't care. Obi be say oh, obi abom this me am de buy. I buy for buy and wo ba be gu no. The question is that can we sustain this approach? Ghana for tribu die nya ni nya on free SHS from day one. Nana and 1 year de koso nana. And the free SHS even past questions here Tom Kwala and the free SHS, the people are taking advantage. Tom mathematical set as high as 63 million Ghana cedis. And the free SHS parent in the back school headmaster catcher and said Niama has a debate school kwano Nensan Kentino or spending almost 8,000 Ghana cedis and son and a back free SHS and the free SHS. But me any admission here Niama Yaji at the good school or under free SHS. Ghana for watch it. Nana de dan kwako fado. And I pay question a year beside say, what is the review? At the end, I would see her. I hear who say, may about the next 2 years, I'm a corner. Free SHS. Obiabe will say, oh, I was able to protect it. Mampani de la for 4-year plan or the buy. I buy for Frababi Guno. And we are toiling with Ghana's educational system. 87.9. Obiaba, not Nediaba. What can we do to protect, sustain, and maintain free SHS? After a wonderful introduction of such a policy, Obiabeka say, "Oh, we free ye, but who could really bonimu?" Monitoring sister Ben and I would share educhum. The minister, monitoring sister Ben and the director, GS Director General, almost rock minister, former minister, and current minister. Director General ni wenka and one more set system no and waka wan watum ana obi anto aban fama edutu 87.9 Kumasi obi anto aban fama na po obi anto aba enfama professor ayi opoku eyewo na Ghana foto abama wo your direction as a leader Ghana enye 66 years after independence question a year bisa ne say how do we keep and protect free SHS? Mr. President, Anopay, good morning.
Ghana for to Abama and Adudan Kwekufa, the Yantua Manipa can't be. 2 men were the man watch it be a move biara. And he can't say woman watch a charm will be anywhere I did to me man no count. It's been FM 87.9 Kumasi. Nimbra Miniwa. Adam no near free fan 77 and son I was about my boy now. Nana, a champion water tower over London, Yamino, and Namni Koyan Techinum, and son I was a buyer, Moba Bejina Bua, and says I bear net, what he had. I am a lawyer, no me no Nakunina, any aqua bapimne, and Ransom Crawford catchers one possum. And so one young to work as said, be said him sitting at the Antissa, Media Cacra and say, Media Futupanam de Bemau. The Ghana 4 penny a juma, the penny I read, the penny cost 4, and 1 everywhere. The 2 bunny way, a bobo, so obi gyina TV 3 so wɔka kyerɛ
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ɔjɔn Mahama ɔkɔ kyerɛ sɛ aban yɛ de kɔm ne abufuo na toyɛ na asa akɔ na nado so aka kyerɛ sɛ ɛkɔm ne abufuo so ɔno nso ba no anyɛ de kɔm ne abufuo bɛsa ato wɔ ho nimdeɛ deɛ wadua wo mpɛ sika ayɛ hwebio enti sɛ kun ho na yɛ adwuma no yi edin ko ana sɛ wo pɛ na bɛ odin bɛ kɔ mu sɛ ampa sɛ wɔ mampanyi bi ba ne ɛfrɛ na nado da ɔba bɛyɛ Ghana yi